What if I told you the reason your dog snores could be more than just a cute quirk? In the next few seconds, you'll discover 5 surprising reasons why dogs snore. Reason 1. Obesity. Excess weight can obstruct their airways. Reason 2. Breed. Brachycephalic breeds like bulldogs are more prone to snoring. Reason 3. Allergies. Just like humans, dogs can have allergies that cause snoring. Reason 4. Sleeping position. Certain positions can restrict airflow. Reason 5. Respiratory issues. Conditions like pneumonia can lead to snoring. Ever wished you could stop your dog's snoring? First, ensure a healthy diet and regular exercise. Second, keep their sleeping area clean from allergens. Lastly, check with a vet if snoring persists. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more.